Okay, what is the degree of this term right here? 5. So that's when I add the exponents, because this is all one term. What is the degree of this term? 2. What is the degree of this term? What is the degree of this term? So overall degree? 5. That's right. Brianna, does that answer your question? Yeah, okay. So you only add if it's the same term. Okay, don't add between terms. Don't add between terms. Okay, so we have special names for these. So if I just have one term, so for example, 2x, okay, we have a special name for this polynomial. Anyone know what we call it? Right? Monomial. Good job. How did you know? How'd you know? Okay, good. Yeah. So, any one of you watch The Simpsons? Not anymore? No, you guys are like Family Guy? Not even American Dad? Okay, so one of the episodes, why I bring that up is one of the episodes, they were talking about the monorail, and they were saying mono means one, rail means rail. So, mono means one. So, one term. Okay, 2 terms. So for example, 2x plus 5. That's an example of 2 terms. And what do we call 2 terms? Is your hand up? Binomial. Wow, you guys are good. Binomial. Think of bicycle. Bicycle has 2 wheels. Bi. That's why it's called binomial. And so in that case, you'll probably know the next one. So for example, something like this. 3 terms, what do you call it? Trinomial, tricycle. See? So, for once, the English actually makes sense with the math. Okay. What do you call 4 terms? Polynomial, yeah. Good job. Well, you're on a roll today, Mohini. 4 plus terms. So we don't call it quad because then the list just goes on forever. So we just call anything more than that just a polynomial. Otherwise, the list just goes on forever. So anything more than 4 terms, we just call it simply a polynomial. I don't think there's such a word as quadnomial. Okay, so let's try this first one right here. For each of the following, determine the number of terms in the polynomial, the constant term, the degree of the polynomial, what type of polynomial is it? And actually, let me add in one more. Coefficient of first term. Okay, so let me add in one more in there. Because I want to make sure you guys understand the terms. If I ask you, you can pretty much be sure that for the next test, you'll get a multiple choice question like this, and I'll ask you for each of these, because each of these are just like one word answers again. So, number of terms in this polynomial. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3 terms. The constant. What's the constant? Yeah, say it out loud. 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2. Degree 2. What type of polynomial do we call this? Since there's 3 terms, we call this a trinomial. And what is the coefficient of the first term? 5. Yeah, because this coefficient means the number in front of the variable. Yeah. Okay. Let's try one more. This one, how many terms do we have? What is my constant? -1. Good. Not just 1, -1. The negative sign goes with the number. What is the degree? 2. What type is this? Binomial. And coefficient? 6. Good. Okay, let's just try one more, and then I'll let you guys take the next 5 minutes to do the rest. Okay, this one, number of terms. Constant. 0. Yeah, that's right. 0. You can write 0 or none. I'm not so picky because technically you can write a +0 in the back. Degree. 3. What do you call this? Binomial. Good. And what is the coefficient in my first term? -9. Good job. Okay, try these ones. Take, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minutes. Take 9 minutes. Try these ones.